All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information on cryptocurrency, mining the cryptocurrency, buying the cryptocurrency, trading it, staking it, using credit cards to get rewards back on Bitcoin, all kinds of good information. Today, we're going to be talking about the coin Cosmos token. This cryptocurrency since the beginning of the year is up over 500%. We're going to talk about that. We're going to go digging into that a little bit. Right now, the coin's trading at around $38. We're going to dig into it. Is this something that you want to get into by the end of the year? Don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Also, yesterday being Sunday, we got to see every single commercial. You saw Tom Brady every few hours talking about cryptocurrency. That's right. Well, today being Monday, on Monday Night Football tonight, you know what we're going to see? We're going to see Tom Brady talking about cryptocurrency. So again, my vision to have everybody in the planet to be using cryptocurrency and buying cryptocurrency. Tom's going to make sure that everybody knows about it. So with that, let's go ahead and dig over to some Cosmos token. All right, over here we go. This crypto has gained 525%. You read it, 525% in 2021. Should you buy it? This is a great question. I always show you the coins that are down, and when they're down, I'm saying, do you think you should get into it when the coins are down? Well, and then I also say, what about when the coins are up? Well, this coin is up 525% this year in 2021. What does it say? The value of Cosmos Atom has reaching new heights. Why the crypto has opened this year. At the beginning of the year, it opened at $6.49. Right now, the coin is trading between $38 to $40. That is up 525% increase. Much of it is due to this fantastic run in September. Yeah, September just ended a day or two ago. Cosmos has doubled in value in less than 2 weeks, peaking at its high of $44. Now we're going to show you that Cosmos right now is at $38. Take a look, $38.65. So this is a good time that if you think Cosmos is going to go back up to $44, what does this say? With those price movements, Cosmos has outperformed the crypto market in 2021. To figure out the current good investments, let's take a look at Cosmos. Does it fit the future potential? So what is Cosmos? How does it work? Why is it around? Here it is. What is Cosmos? Cosmos is the ecosystem of decentralized apps. DApps, the service. It centralizes the aim to connect the different blockchains so they can all work together. You heard that right, to connect the different blockchains. Not that one blockchain is going to rule everything. Cosmos is trying to connect all the blockchains so they can work together. So this blockchain and that blockchain and this blockchain can all basically do what it's doing, but Cosmos comes in and helps them work together. Let's go ahead and dig a little bit more. An issue with cryptocurrency right now is that there's too many of them and they have their own blockchain network. Wouldn't you agree? There's too many of them and they all have their own blockchain. Now look what this says. But these blockchains operate independently. They can't communicate with each other, leaving the industry very, very upsetting. Cosmos has several open source tools on the network to help make blockchains work together. These include, here we go, Cosmos Hub, the first blockchain on a foundation of Cosmos network. All blockchains on Cosmos communicate through the Cosmos Hub. So first point is the Cosmos Hub. The second thing, inter-blockchain communication protocol, a protocol that allows the independent blockchains to exchange data. Blockchains that support this protocol are able to communicate with one another. The Tendermint, the third part, the software that allows the developers to more easily create their own blockchain, which is called zones on Cosmos. These blockchains can then connect to other blockchains on the Cosmos Hub. I mean, this is actually kind of very, 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 it's very in-depth how good this Cosmos is. Cosmos, and it went up 525% since the beginning of the year. Cosmos Software Development Kit, SKD, a framework for building blockchains using Tendermint. This isn't just a project with ambitious future plans. The technology that Cosmos offers is already used. Two high-profile examples are, you ready? Binance, Smart Chain, and Terra both use the Cosmos SDK. There are currently 255 apps and services running on the Cosmos ecosystem. How's this Cosmos crypto work? All right, we're over here back at the top 10. First, we're going to go through Cosmos. It's at number 22 right this second, trading at $37.38 right this second. In the last 7 days, it's actually down 7.63%, and it's actually down almost 5% in the last 24 hours. With Cosmos being down, this could be a good opportunity to position yourself. Taking a look at the chart here, how it's basically went up and now it's actually come back down. Here's what it says, what is Cosmos, Adam? In a nutshell, Cosmos builds itself as a project that solves most of the hardest problems facing the blockchain industry. It aims to offer an antidote to slow, expensive, unscalable, environment harmful proof-of-work protocols like those used on Bitcoin by offering an ecosystem of the connecting blockchains. The project's other goals include making blockchain technology less complex, difficult for developers thanks to the modern framework of the decentralizing apps. Last but not least, the inter-blockchain communication protocol makes it easier for blockchain networks to communicate with each other. What makes Cosmos unique? A major concern for some of the crypto industry centers on the level of the blockchain network. These are hundreds of existence, but very, very few can communicate with each other. Cosmos aims to turn this onto its head on, making this very positive. Cosmos is described as the blockchain 3.0. As we mentioned earlier, a big goal is ensuring that the infrastructure is straightforward to use. To the end, Cosmos software developers focus on moderately. This allows networks to be easily built using chunks of code that already exist. Long term, it hopes to complex applications that will be straightforward to consult of the result. All right, I just moved over here to wallets. So what type of wallets can you hold your Cosmos Atom coins in? Well, just taking a look, you can use Trust Wallet, you can use MetaMask, you can use Ledger, Math Wallet, Coinbase. There's quite a few. Binance Chain Wallet. I mean, it goes on and on and on. So a lot of wallets that you can use for the Cosmos coin. So with that, Cosmos is definitely 525% up in the last year since the beginning. Let's go ahead and we're going to talk a little bit about Tom Brady. Tom Brady's going to make sure cryptocurrency, everybody that watches football is going to know about cryptocurrency, because you know why? Because he's getting into it. So let's go ahead and look at the commercial that was running all day yesterday on all the different platforms. If you were in St. Louis, you saw this. If you were in Buffalo, you saw this. If you were in Philadelphia, if you were in San Francisco, if you were in Wyoming, it doesn't matter. Wherever you're watching football, you're seeing this. So cryptocurrency, the name of it, everything about it, Tom's getting into it. Let's go ahead and dig in.
Can I talk to you about something?
We've talked about it. I got another 10 years left.
Not that. This is big. What do you think?
I'm in. Let's call everyone.
Hey, yeah, I'm in.
Yeah, sounds good. I'm in. I'm in.
I'm in.
I'm in.
This guy. First, even if you wanted to come back, we wouldn't take you.
Yes, you would.
Yeah, we would.
You're right, we would. What's up?
I'm getting into crypto with FTX. You in?
I believe I'm in, but still hate you.
Understood.
Is he in?
Yep.
Did he say he hates you?
He did.
I get it.
So that's right, Tom Brady has more Super Bowls than anybody that's played the game, and he's still currently playing. And guess what? He's getting into crypto, and it's bigger than him playing for the next 10 years that he's talking about. So just kind of sharing with you, when all of a sudden celebrities and football players and all kinds of Curry who plays, he's getting into crypto too. When all these different people, and all of a sudden when AMP token and everything else and Cosmos is taking all the blockchains and helping them communicate, well, guess what? That means the cryptocurrency is going to go up, up, up. More people are going to know about it. This is a fantastic time to be into cryptocurrency. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Also, all our information is for educational purposes only. So I wanted to go over this with Cosmos, how to stake Atom tokens and earn block rewards. It says how to stake Cosmos Atom tokens and earn block rewards. Cosmos is one of our favorite blockchain projects because it has the ability to bring all the chains together as a central hub. Cosmos allows developers to build on the Tendermint platform to easily deploy their own project and unite them with IBC, Internet Blockchain Communication Algorithm. IBC acts as a hub, and staked Atoms tokens provide the power that runs it all. Atom tokens can be bought using centralized exchanges such as Coinbase, Binance Coin. If you're located outside the United States, what is staking? According to the frequently asked questions on Coinbase, staking is the process of the activity participate in a transaction validation on a proof of stake blockchain. On these blockchains, anyone with minimal required balance with cryptocurrency can validate transactions and earn staking rewards. Let me go ahead and speak to you in English. You take your coins and you basically stake them there, you park them there, you leave them there, you leave the coins there, and you can leave them there for 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, 2 years. Based on how long you leave the coins, there's a percentage interest rate you're going to get for staking the coin, and you can make money that way. So staking the coins is one way that you can make money with cryptocurrency. Very popular, actually. All right, we're over here at the top 10 real quick. We're going to hit this. Bitcoin is at 47,000. It's actually up 8% in the last 7 days. Remember, it was 42,000 about a week ago. We were talking about that. Ethereum is at 33.78. It's actually also up 7% in the last 7 days. Cardano is at $2.22, down slightly about 1.7%. Binance Coin is over $420. It's actually up about 18% in the last 7 days. Solana is actually up 19%, so nice little bounce back there. XRP is actually up 6%. Polkadot is actually up about 5%, 5.91%, and the Dogecoin is actually up 5.78%, trading at about 22 cents. The Avalanche is actually settled down. It's at $67.24, down about 3%. The whole market, the global market is at 2.12% trillion, and it's actually up almost 1% in the last 24 hours. All right. So here we go. So Tom Brady's talking about cryptocurrency. We got Cosmos that's basically taking all these blockchains and having them communicate. What's my prediction? Well, basically, if it went up to $44 a few days ago and it's at 38, there's a 525% increase since the beginning of the year. It was trading at about $7 when it started this year. I actually think this coin's going to actually keep going up. So 44, I think it can definitely get to 50. Again, all our information here on this channel is for educational purposes only. We do take our charts, we figure it out, projections, all that good stuff. So don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Click right here to see our most recent video. Tom Brady and all the cast that are going to talk about cryptocurrency is awesome. Frank from Frank's Crypto Corner. Thanks for tuning in. Monday through Friday, we have a new video coming out every single day at 1 o'clock Eastern Standard Time. On the weekends, on Saturday and Sunday, usually around 3 to 4 o'clock. You guys have an awesome day today, everybody.